Welcome to AccountKit. If this is your first time logging into the platform, it's good to know where you can find different elements of the software. Over on the left-hand side, first and foremost, you'll find your Home button. This will bring you to your dashboard page that you see in front of you. This is also what you'll be met with when you first log into the platform each and every day. Our next option along the top is our daily plan, and this will open up your daily agenda for your items around workflow and associated tasks, along with your projects. You can add elements to this screen by simply dragging and dropping elements or icons onto the calendar and then selecting from pre-made jobs or selections that you have in your workflow task list, or by dragging items using the 6-dot menu over on the right hand side from your daily plan or projects. You can find out more around how daily plan and projects work through our workflow course. The next option along the top is our clients page, and this area is somewhere that you'll spend quite a bit of time in the platform day to day. From the client screen in this window, we can filter and find all of our various clients and search for them as we require. We could filter out to show, let's say, only our clients from Queensland, and we may even also do a search up on the top right for a given client. And this is any part search, so finding specific words or elements, you simply type it in and hit enter for it to find the name of the client you're looking for. What you'll also find as you're working through this list is your clients coming in from your integrated tools and what they're integrated to. In this window, we can also connect up our Zero Blue files, as you see here. Simply click on the icon on the right hand side of screen, follow the prompts via the connect option to connect up the Zero Blue file for the corresponding business. Along with this, we have all of our other practice connections associated to that client. Along the top of our screen, we have the ability to move through our prospects page for handling our clients that are not yet clients in the system, our affiliates for things like the ATO and other businesses like banks and so on, and then our contacts page, which is handling our contacts coming in from XPM or those that we would like to track in the business without completing works as if they were an engaged client. Finally, we also have client groups and then any other custom dashboard you require. To change what you see on any dashboard screen, this is a universal functionality, we select our View Select option over on the right and favorite the ones that we like to see on a regular basis. We can highlight the house icon to make a certain page our favorite page, and we can reorder our icons as well too to change the way that these elements display on any screen. Note, as I say, this is a universal dashboard function, so any screen that you are on, you will also find that it has this same functionality. Next along the top, you'll also see our document management icon. Now this will only be available where you have established a connection to your integrated document management system via practice settings as a practice administrator. Once it's connected, you will see a gateway directly into your document management platform. In this case, I am using OneDrive or SharePoint. You'll see here that we can have multiple connected and we can move between these ones at our leisure, from Google through to OneDrive, through to FYI, and so on. And we can also make selections for the client or the group that we're looking to find once we have established our default folders for those clients. Next to that, we have access to our notifications within the system. And this will be everything that you specifically have notifications for, such as workflow items that have been addressed to you, or other elements in the software where someone has mentioned you or marked you as needing to see this notification. As administrators, you will also see items where there's sync process elements and other connected options around your various practice tools. Finally, we also have our search feature, and this is your ability to search any client or business throughout the organization. Simply type the name of the client that you would like to find, And you'll see that first will appear the groups that have the associated name. Next will appear clients, affiliates, contacts, and even business names if you are searching for them. By hovering over any one of these elements, you'll see that different items appear based on the particular client you've got selected. Our 3 paper stack icon will open up a new window specific to this client and having the system filtered by this particular client. We'll review this shortly. Next, we have the ability to jump straight to our DMS for that particular client. As you can see, we're still in the background in our general document management system, but if we wanted to see it for Bullantics specifically, we could click on the DMS icon, and then we have the ability to copy the ABN on the fly if we need it. Let's go ahead and click on our group summary filter, and note that you can also do this with the client groups page. To show what this looks like, it will load up a brand new page and filter the entirety of the AccountKit platform via your various tools, which can be found in the drop-downs on the left-hand side. If I'd like to see information around integrated tools, so we have CAS 360 in here in this case for our Bullantics organization, tracking our e-signing, our correspondence items, maybe workflow, all of those elements become available to you and filtered by that particular client. This particular filter and search option is very handy, so we've made a shortcut to get to it on a simple basis. Simply hit the question mark on your keyboard, which will open up your search option up on the top left, and then search for the client that you would like to find, and click. This will then filter your client or your group based on your selection as soon as you've entered them in. Down the left-hand side, we have our various tools. Now, if you're not working in the group summary page, you'll be working in the tools generally. So for things like our correspondence register, important items register, knowledge center, professional development register, and workflow, these all reside under administration. As typically speaking, this is what you're going to use to administer your business. The next tools down will be our compliance tools, and these are our various calculators and compliance engine workpapers that you can utilize over the top of a Zero Blue file, and in the very near future, QuickBooks. And then finally, in the final section, we have our consulting tools, which is around our structure diagrams or client maps for our clients, and our various loan calculators, as you see down the page here. And that is a general navigation overview of AccountKit.